Hi, I'm not sure if you can hear me, but my name is Keith, and I started trading about 7 years ago. And over the years, I've made a lot of mistakes. I've learned a lot, and this is my story. And 3 years ago, I was able to leave my full-time bank job in investments. I was in finance, accounting, 9 to 5 job. And the world has changed for me forever, and I make these videos to help new traders who are coming on board and they want to start trading, and I share my results, I share my trading strategies. I do live trades, and I've been making videos on and off, but this year 2020 I'm going to be bringing out a lot of stuff. I spent some money on some kits to record better quality, and so I've been, like I'm a trader. I'm not a video production company, but that's I have to also spend time to learn all that kind of stuff, so I can deliver a better looking video for you, so you can understand better. It's more engaging. You can always send me emails, contact me on Telegram. You can leave comments in the video, and also go to easytradingschool.com to join me. I have trading signals, I have training program, it's a video training course. I give absolutely free email support. So I'm also giving back to the traders, fellow traders. I've made a lot of friends. I have good, not a very big network of traders, but good friends network. Who I exchange my trading experiences. If you're new to trading, you're more than welcome to join me. And I would say that trading is not meant for everybody. There is a trader mindset that you have to take on board. 75% of the traders, they make a loss, they give up, and there's a lot of things that go into becoming successful, because if you look at people like Warren Buffett or some other successful worldwide global giant traders, they started small. They were not born in that position. Nobody's born in that position. People make their way, some quicker, some slower, depending on where they are when they start. And it's never too late to start, and it's always too late to give up. I've had a lot of issues with trading over the years, and I've come to learn that trading, if you have little capital to invest in risk, that it can be seen as gambling to learn. But you don't have to. Even if you don't have money, you can still start trading using demo accounts. I used a lot of demo accounts before, I still do, and I would say to you that starting, everything is on your fingerprints. We have mobile phones, we have laptops, you can trade anywhere you want, and the world will be changing for you. For 25% of the people who take action, who do something about it, and it is really changing. So I'm just here in a place having a drink because it's Friday, and I like to take a break from all the work. There's a lot of work, so you can also listen to my podcasts which are coming out. I have to set up some accounts or something so I can record them and deliver very good something you can probably listen or when you're on the go, or I'm not sure if I will put on YouTube, so we'll see about that. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again. Thanks for watching.